Portable Charger Buying Guide, What You Need to Know. Title: Portable Charger Buying Guide, What You Need to Know. Introduction: 100 words. With the increasing reliance on smartphones and other electronic devices in our daily lives, the need for portable chargers has become more essential than ever. Whether you're a frequent traveler, an outdoor enthusiast, or simply someone on the go, investing in a durable and reliable portable charger is a wise decision. However, with a wide variety of options available in the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. In this comprehensive buying guide, we will walk you through all the essential factors to consider when purchasing a portable charger, ensuring you make an informed decision for your charging needs. 1. Capacity matters, 200 words. One of the most important factors to consider when buying a portable charger is its capacity, measured in milliampere-hour, mAh. Capacity determines how much charge the power bank can supply to your device. Higher capacity means more power, allowing you to charge your device multiple times before recharging the portable charger itself. It is crucial to choose a power bank with an appropriate capacity for your needs. If you primarily use it for emergency situations or short trips, a lower capacity portable charger, around 5,000 mAh, should suffice. However, if you're a heavy user or require multiple charges, opting for a higher capacity model, 10,000 mAh and above, would be more suitable. 2. Portability and size, 200 words. The whole purpose of a portable charger is its ability to be carried anywhere conveniently. Therefore, the size and weight of the power bank play a vital role in determining its portability. A compact and lightweight charger can easily fit in your pocket, bag, or purse without weighing you down. While higher capacity chargers tend to be bulkier, technological advancements have enabled manufacturers to produce smaller and more lightweight models without compromising on power. Consider your daily activities and choose a portable charger that suits your lifestyle. 3. Compatibility and output, 200 words. Before purchasing a portable charger, it's imperative to check its compatibility with your devices. Most portable chargers nowadays come with multiple USB ports, making them compatible with various devices, including smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, and Bluetooth earphones. Another crucial factor to consider is the charger's output. It is measured in amperes, A, and determines how quickly your device will charge. Look for chargers with higher output ratings, 2,1A or Hig. For faster charging speeds. Additionally, some chargers come with advanced features like quick charge and power delivery, which enable even faster charging for devices that support these technologies. 4. Charging speed, 200 words. The charging speed of a portable charger can significantly impact your overall charging experience. Lower output chargers may take longer to charge your device fully, while higher output chargers can expedite the process. Furthermore, certain chargers offer fast charging capabilities, allowing you to quickly replenish your device's battery. These chargers are equipped with intelligent charging technology that detects and adjusts the charging speed according to your device's requirements, ensuring safe and efficient charging. 5. Quality and safety features, 200 words. When purchasing a portable charger, it is essential to prioritize quality and safety. Opt for chargers from reputable brands that provide reliability and durability. Poorly constructed power banks can be prone to overheating, malfunctions, or even pose a risk of explosion. Ensure the charger you choose has built-in safety features such as overcurrent protection, short-circuit protection, and temperature control. These features safeguard your devices against damage caused by voltage fluctuations, overheating, or electrical mishaps. Additionally, certifications like UL, SAE, or FCC compliance signify that the product has met specific safety standards and requirements. These features can include built-in cables, wireless charging capabilities, LED indicators, or even the ability to charge multiple devices simultaneously. Consider your specific preferences and requirements when deciding on these additional features. While built-in cables can be convenient for some, others may prefer the flexibility of using their own cables. Similarly, wireless charging capabilities may be appealing to those with compatible devices. 7. Price range, 200 words. While it's important to consider the features and capabilities of a portable charger, it's equally essential to consider your budget. Portable chargers come in a wide range of prices, so it's crucial to determine how much you are willing to spend. Lower capacity and basic models are generally more affordable, making them suitable for occasional users or those on a tight budget. If you need higher capacity and faster charging speeds, expect to pay a bit more for advanced models. It's also worth considering the value for money. Sometimes, spending a little extra for a reputable brand or additional features can provide a more reliable and durable portable charger in the long run. 8. Reviews and recommendations, 200 words. Before making a final decision, take the time to read reviews and seek recommendations from reliable sources. Online platforms, such as e-commerce websites and technology forums, often have customer reviews and ratings that can offer insights into a portable charger's performance and reliability. Additionally, seek recommendations from friends, family, or colleagues who have already purchased portable chargers. They can provide valuable feedback based on their personal experiences. Checking reviews and seeking recommendations can help you avoid potential issues and ensure that you are investing in a portable charger that lives up to its claims. 9. Warranty and customer support, 200 words. A warranty is an important consideration when buying any electronic device, and portable chargers are no exception. A reputable manufacturer will provide a warranty to protect against manufacturing defects or malfunctions. Ensure that the portable charger you choose comes with a warranty that covers a reasonable period. This will give you peace of mind knowing that you can seek assistance or have the charger replaced should any issues arise. Additionally, consider the quality of customer support offered by the manufacturer. Look for prompt and helpful customer service to assist you in case of any queries or concerns. 10. Environmental impact, 200 words. As we become more conscientious about the environment, it's worth considering the environmental impact of the portable charger you choose. Look for chargers that are manufactured using sustainable materials and have energy-efficient features. Furthermore, some portable chargers come with eco-friendly certifications like Energy Star or RoHS compliance. These certifications ensure that the charger meets certain environmental standards and regulations.